This is my super simple and easy to make KFC popcorn chicken recipe. Check it out.
Isn't that a crunch?
Start by taking your chicken breast, I've got about 500 grams here, and slicing that into nice small cubes. Once sliced, we're going to throw these into a bowl with 280 milliliters of buttermilk, and then we're going to season this. The seasonings are 1 teaspoon each of salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, dried rosemary, and dried parsley. Make sure that chicken is nicely coated, then cover and leave in the fridge to marinate anywhere between 2 and 24 hours. Take 100 grams of flour and season with the same seasonings as before. Mix that in and then throw in your marinated chicken. Give it a toss until it's well coated and looks like this. Now your chicken is nicely seasoned and coated in that flour, we're ready to deep fry. I fry mine in rapeseed oil and I get that up to 180 degrees Celsius. I fry this for 4 minutes until beautifully crispy, crunchy, and golden brown. Transfer these to a cooling rack to rest for around 5 minutes, and then you're ready to dive in and enjoy. Super simple KFC popcorn chicken. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and don't want to miss out on any recipes. I'll see you in the next one.